welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we are taking a quick look to how to increase your Wondershare Filmora quality of the video. For in this video I'm using Wondershare Filmora 8th version. If you are using 12 or 11, you can also do the same way. So guys, first the thing is, if you want to improve your video quality, you can go over here files and you can head over here to settings, and in settings you can enable this option CPU of this graphics, and after that click OK. And now you can see over here this option is ticked. So now what you have to do is, when you go to export your file, you can hit over here once again to settings. In settings, select best. Don't select better or good, select the best option. You can just make this frame range higher, and after that you can make this higher as well. Make this higher, and after that you can select the first, make this options all the high options right over here and hit OK. If you want to upload directly on YouTube, you can also, and after that you can simply export your video right over here and your video quality will be very improved. So guys, it was very simple video. So guys, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.